Toes, boy. Look at them toes. They like tiger claws. What you trying to do, Ashley? What you trying to do? You slack. Don't put that curl on. Ew! Get off my floor. Get that off my floor. That toenail. Get it off my floor. Get off my insanity box. What is wrong with you? You slack monkey. Get out. I know you ain't trying to play. Don't put that on my bed. What is wrong with you? I dare you.
Oops.
Ain't no oops. Pick it up. Pick it. Ashley.
I know where it went.
Ooh. Don't put that in my cup. Woo! Don't put Ashley. Don't play with me. Get off my rap. No. No. Get Ashley. That's slack. I'm serious. Now I gotta sterilize. Ew. That's not funny. Ashley, seriously now, but that was slack. It's not funny. Don't do that no more. Just stop. Wait until you get home to do that. It's not even funny anymore.
My socks.
Yeah, put them things on. Old tiger claw toes.
If your feet like tuck off.
Hey, you already embarrassing yourself now because this going on YouTube.
No, it's not.
Yes, it is.
Stop.
That's what you get for